Welcome back to Cryotos Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're talking about integrating CMMS and IoT, unlocking new levels of efficiency. Joining me is Alex, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Alex, welcome.
Thanks, Bruce. Excited to dive into this.
Let's start with the basics. Alex, what does the integration of CMMS and IoT really mean?
CMMS helps with scheduling and tracking maintenance. But when you add IoT, it becomes predictive. IoT sensors monitor machine conditions in real time, and the CMMS responds by triggering work orders automatically when needed.
Can you share a quick example?
Sure. Think about a plant with hydraulic pumps. Instead of manually inspecting them, IoT sensors monitor them 24/7, and the CMMS creates work orders when issues arise. This cuts downtime and prevents human error.
What kind of data can companies leverage with this integration?
It's all about actionable insights. You can track failure rates, visualize energy use, and optimize maintenance schedules. This is the power of data-driven decision-making.
It sounds like it's tied to Industry 4.0.
Exactly. It's all about automation and smart systems. When combined with AI and ML, it allows for continuous optimization and predictive maintenance.
Any actionable advice for our listeners?
Start small. Connect a critical asset, add IoT sensors, and integrate with your CMMS. The results will speak for themselves in weeks.
Thanks, Alex. Great insights today. And to our listeners, if you found this useful, follow Cryotos Maintenance Management. Stay innovative, and we'll catch you next time.